This is CBS 5 News, telling it like it is.
Well, we've all had time to dream about all the things we do with the money if we won the lottery. Now let's talk about what we should do to make that money last for years and years to come. Adrian Larson is portfolio manager and president of Pathlight Investors. Thanks so much for joining us.
Thanks for having me on an exciting Friday.
So we're here thinking big, and we know what we would do with all of that money, but we're thinking, what should we do to make that money last for generations to come?
Absolutely. You have to think about this in terms of the future, right? We are talking about making it last for those generations that come after you, that you can take care of your family. First thing you do, you have to get your team together. So before you even claim your check, get your lawyer, get your financial advisor together, make sure that you're taken care of. You have a team around you that you can trust and is going to make the right decisions for you, because this is something that not many people are ever going to have to deal with in their lives. You probably don't know what you're going to do with it at that moment.
Exactly, and it's pretty exciting, but you know, a lot of us at work have been very honest and said, you know what, we're going to quit our jobs tomorrow if we win tonight, except for Chris Dunn.
No, of course not. But he loves the weather too much.
Realistically, is that a wise thing to do?
It's going to be wise if you net out $318 million. You can quit your job. It's okay. In case of a smaller lottery winning, it's probably not the best idea. But in this situation, I will say go ahead and quit your job if you win that. You still have to worry about what you're going to do from a day-to-day basis if you're not winning $318 million in net sum, right?
And that's all about investments, right? I mean, what should you be investing with this kind of money?
For large sums of money, you're really looking for protection. You're also looking for tax efficiency. You don't need this money to grow in a quick way in large returns on a year-over-year basis. You're looking at your municipal bonds, which are tax-free, exempt from federal income tax. Those will allow you to grow and defer that, or tax-free revenue, but then also get that 3%, 4%, 5%. Think about 4% on a $318 million number.
It's a pretty nice thought.
Yeah, you can do just fine on that in a year.
Okay, so if we're thinking that, well, you know, we might have a chance at winning this, let's be realistic. Family likes to come out of the woodwork, family you didn't even know you had. When you come across a situation like that, legally or financially, what is the best thing you should do in handling family with money?
You still have to look at everything like a business decision. I mean, you are now an enterprise, right? So you have to say, if there's an investment that somebody's coming to you with, you have to evaluate that investment on the merits of that investment. You can't simply say, this is a family member who wants to start a business, and therefore I'm going to give them a blank check to go ahead and start that business. In terms of other claims, we're all going to want to take care of our mothers. We're all going to want to take care of our other family members that we're close to. So, you know, taking care of the mortgage for those people, okay, great. Just don't get too many people on the payroll.
Okay, very good advice. And one more thing, you had a statistic that you mentioned about bankruptcy, which I thought was pretty interesting.
Yeah, it really is amazing. And the statistic is, of million-dollar lottery winners, over 75% are bankrupt within 5 years after winning that lottery. And it just goes to show you, mismanagement of your funds is really a problem when it comes to getting a large sum of money in that short period of time.
So as we dream, let's dream wisely.
Absolutely. Absolutely.
All right, Adrian, thanks so much for joining us.
Thanks for having me.
I appreciate it.